Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when you put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord. The link of them is down in the description of that video, because in Telegram and Discord we're given free daily signals. You can go and ask people over there today. They're benefiting from all that move of the Bitcoin today. We give them 3 signals today, so you can even you benefiting from there, and you can even watching our daily update here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see today, after yesterday dump, today we got a very green day, and us and people they follow me in my Telegram channel and my Discord server, we're benefiting from all those things. So till now, as you see, Bitcoin it move up. We're making very nice money today and yesterday. Even yesterday we enter from here till down here, and today we enter from down here. We are going there. Now we're still here only for long term. Here in the daily, you remember what me I told you here about that level here? As you see it's getting broke here, but today the market it jump up. Why? Because we got here a very stronger level. I'm going to show it to you. But now here, look at it. Not the wage as we said before. Not the wage as we said before, guys. That one. It gave us here a fake out here. But now today it's going back up. So what that indicating? It's indicating that 25k is very stronger level. And we said it before. If you remember last Friday like today, we came here. We put in for you 2 levels like that. As you see, then from last Friday, we told you the first level here at 29k. And the down level here is it at 25k. We used to be here. Look at it. You see it or know that the power of our analysis, guys. Us, we are professional traders. That's our job. Us, we are not here to earning money from YouTube or something or ads. All those things, us, we don't care about it, because those days we saw a lot of people, they never ever trade. They came, they started teaching people. That's why us, we created that channel. So here, as you see it, guys, we touch here the 25k, and look what the Bitcoin done here. We are going to come to why and everything. Now, what's going to happen here? That the Bitcoin is going to jump from that level here, because that level where we are is a very stronger level. Let me show it to you. You remember that level here? People they been with us from the start of that channel, they remember that very well. We told them we got 2 levels here, one down here and one down here, and that one here about the Wyckoff is a fake out. Here everything's still going how us we accepting. It fall down, maybe from here we're going to see another going up. And to break for us, that one is going to give us that cup and handle I showed you before. So now what should we do? Should we enter long from here, from that level here? For long, not yet, my friend. For the long, it's not yet. You remember I showed you we got a down channel in the weekly. And also we are in the top of it. Till now we haven't break it. Yes or no? So you need to be focused about that one. And here, another thing here. Let me show it to you. Here, people they've been with us from the start here. We tell you we got here a up channel like that. Yes or no? And we've been telling you also we are going to fall down to touch it here, because as you see here and here, the up channel is it that one here. Look at it. I'm going to draw it now for you to see it very clear. Is it that one? That the up channel here. As you see it, we touch the top of it here. Now we fall down to touch the lower here. So what's going to happen now? Should we enter long? Maybe from here we're going to see another going up, but not yet, because for us to enter long, it's need the market to go up to break here. That level here for us to enter long. Another thing very important here. Let me show it to you. The 50 moving average here, it crossed below the 100, guys. As we said, from when we're going to touch here the 200 moving average, we're going to buy 50% from our capital. Till now we haven't touched it. Until now everything's still looking as we enter in a bear market. There is nothing bullish yet. Yes, today it came from BlackRock, that Bitcoin ETF and all those things, but all that it will not replace the Bitcoin, because what can we say? America, it's building like that. America, it's building like that. Fighting anything is not American or give the jobs to Americans. That's what they do when Bitcoin is not American. So the BlackRock, they are going to create an ETF, and the ECC, they fighting exchanges for American people don't buy from foreign exchanges and them to go to buy from their investment banks. But that it will not do nothing, guys. People tell now the big deal here and the big problem. The Bitcoin, what is it the goal of it? The Bitcoin is the goal of it for us to fight in that capitalism and that printing money like hell. Those people, they want to find a way for those investors to invest in that capitalism. So there is no need for that Bitcoin if we are going to buy ETFs. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So for long term, just DC and forget about everything. If you want just to buy once, when we touch in here, the 200 moving average by 50% from your capital, then we see from here what the market is going to do, if he's going to give us here a price action or no. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Another thing very important here, that one here, it's enter here to the oversold area, guys. We need to be careful about that one. Also, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it. Our indicator is it here down at the oversold area. Price action we got here that wage. If that one getting broke here, enter long, guys, with all your money. I'm telling that to you. If we break in here, enter with all your money. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. The coming news for today, as you see it, we don't got something special here, just that CPI data or inflation data of the Eurozone. And that one is going to affect a little bit the market, but not that much. And here is our friend on the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day. Today, the US stocks, they make new highs. Me, I'm very nice profit in my stock account. I am more than 50% earning till now. And there is no one making that earnings, but that's another story. And as you see it here, all US stocks, they are green today. That's very good news here, as you see it. And our friend down here is the VIX for the volatility measurement, as you see it, or scarcity measurement. As you see it, it's still below 20. Yesterday, it go up a little bit because retail sales will come today. But everything's still looking good. And here, as you see, the US dollar, it's still falling down. But the Bitcoin, it's still falling down. That's a bad news. It's neat to go out from that and to go back correlated with US market. That we're going to tell us we enter in a bull market again. But I think everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Here, we used to have here that price action, that one here, as you see it, like that. And down here, that triangle like that. It's getting broke down here. Yeah, enter short from here, that for swing trading. We put stop loss here, in that level here. And I give it as a signal for people that follow me. I told them to put stop loss here, that for swing trading, not for day trading. Now the Bitcoin here, what it's showing to us, look at it. If you came here to that level here, and you came and you draw in here a level. The Bitcoin here, it breaking here. Now it go back to test here. Maybe from here it's going to fall down to give us another low to break that one. That's possible. Another thing very important here, we got a wage, guys. Here, in that place here, we got a new wage like that. Like that, very clear. That one, if we're breaking above here, that means it's going to hit stop loss for those people that enter short with us. That's a part of the game. But you need to put stop loss down here and take profit up. And that is going to back all the losses of you. And why me I told you, me I thinking is going to go back up because here we got a very clear divergence here. We are going to come to it. Now it's going to see our indicator to show you the divergence we're talking about. The divergence also we're talking about, as you see it from that one and that one here. Let me show it to you in the chart. That's the divergence me I'm talking about. If you see here, compared to that one down here is down, and that one here is up, and here is up, and here is down than the previous one. As you see, we got a very clear divergence here, guys. Very clear divergence here, as you see it. So even that one, you need to be focused about it, what the market is going to do here. That one, you need to be focused about it, what the market is going to do here. Should we enter long? Not yet, my friend, not yet. There is no entry long yet. Here, you remember that one us we used to talk about here. You remember it or no? That trend line us we used to talk about here. Till now it hasn't getting broke here for us to enter long. Another thing, us we still down here. Where is the bears, the control? Until now, we haven't break above here. Like how I show you before. And look at it by your eye. That oscillator, it prefer to stay down here. Where is the bears, the controlling? Better then to come here where is the bulls they controlling. So what that means is only the bears who still take control for that market. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, it's enter again to the oversold area. So technically also we need to looking for a long because level also we are in a very stronger level in the daily. And even here in the 4 hours, also we are in a very stronger level. You remember that down channel also we used to talk about here. You remember it or no? People they been with us, they remember that down channel like that. We touch the lower of it here. Now, technically that one is need to go back to touch the top here. Should we enter long, guys? No, my friend. There is no long. Even if our indicator is it here down at the oversold area level, also we are in a very stronger level and we got the down channel. Price action is the most important one. The price action I just show it to you. Got here a wage. That wage it needs to be broken here for you to enter long till here till the top of that channel. If it doesn't get broke, there is no entry long. Actually, also we still going down with it. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please pause the video now. There is only one small thumbs up, down. Smash it, write down a comment, tell us your thought and exactly if you making profit with us today, write it down, tell those people they just came now, tell them you make very nice profit with us. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, us we been here making very nice profit. Actually we killing it here. We enter short yesterday here from that flag here till down here. Today we've been waiting all the whole day for that price action here. That one like that is getting broke here by that candle. We enter in it long. We put stop loss down here. We put 3 take profits. The first one, second one here as you see it. It's bring it to us all of it. Then we enter it happen here that correction that one here. Then also we give people here another price action here. Here we told them we got here a flag like that. That flag is getting broke here again. But the second signal we give, then the third signal we give is that one here as you see it. Very clear signal here. That candle here it's break it. That one we just can't tell here because also we give them here 2 price actions or 2 take profit. The first one it was here exactly here in that level. Second one it was here, but when that candle came down like that, me I told them to close it. That's why me I told you join us in Telegram or Discord. Now at that level here where we are, should we enter short now? At this time no, because now we got only that up trend line, that one as you see it, and here you can even come and do it like that. You got here an up channel, guys, as you see it. We touch the top of it here. Now it's need either the market to come to break here for us to enter short, or the market to give us here a double top or a price action here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry short, no entry long. Now there is no price action here clear telling us to enter long or to enter short. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. So technically also we need to enter short because as you see it, the level is here. That one here it used to be here as support, now it's getting broke, now it's become here a resistance. So technically now also we need to look in for short. For us to enter short, it's need the price action to tell it to us. It's need the market to fall down to break here that trend line for us to enter short. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video, and please guys, make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.